Why and how is Dubai making artificial rain? To control the scorching weather, Dubai government has decided to use cloud seeding technology which helps in artificial rain. How rain happens? For this first we need to understand the phenomenon of rain. Sun is the main source for raining as sun heats the surface of the water in the sea. The water in the sea then evaporates and goes into sky in the form of gas. This gas then cools down in the sky and turns into water again. These droplets of water gather to form clouds. These droplets don't get attached with each other because they are in the purest form of water without any particles. Soon as the droplets come in contact with particles like dust or smoke, they make bigger droplets. These droplets then start coming down in the form of rain due to Earth's gravitational force. What is cloud seeding? This is the basic function of rain, but here the question arises that how cloud seeding make rain happens. Cloud seeding was first developed by American chemist Vincent Schaefer in 1946. In this process, we spray silver iodide on cloud in the sky.
आसमान में जाते ही गैस ठंडी हो जाती है और वापस पानी बन जाती है
and form droplets which cause rain. This rain is not natural but artificial rain. Water scarcity has always been an issue for Dubai government. Despite having all kind of wealth, Dubai faces water shortage. It rains only 10 times in Dubai yearly, which is why there are no rivers. Dubai has large amount of water, but this seawater is salty, undrinkable. To purify this seawater, there are several desalination plants have been set up. They separate salts from the seawater and make it drinkable. But this process requires a lot of electricity and is time and cost consuming. How Dubai using cloud seeding technology to make artificial rain? Dubai government has decided to collect drinkable water from cloud seeding. There has been an Al Hatta dam constructed in Al Hajar mountains. The cloud seeding process gets done on the cloud above the dam. All the rain that caused by cloud seeding process would be stored in the dam. This water is drinkable and also Dubai makes electricity with this artificial rain water.